What's up, guys? Welcome back to Moto Therapy. If you're new here, smash that like button and subscribe for new videos every week. And now with that said, let's dive into today's video. This biker looks in his mirror and sees a motorcycle cop with lights flashing right beside him. And the confusion this biker felt is real. He has no idea if he's being pulled over, being escorted, or if this officer is just trying to get around him. He keeps riding, keeps checking back, and the tension continues to build with every single mile. This goes on long enough that even we started wondering what was happening. But eventually, this officer guides him off the highway, and what happens next, nobody could have expected.
Sorry about that. Okay. I have earplugs in.
Get your stuff situated, I'll be right back.
Okay. Sorry if the lights, I couldn't tell if they were on right away. I was like, are they on? It's hard for me to tell in the mirrors.
Couple things.
Yes, sir.
Why are your flashers on when you're splitting traffic?
Well, I find that when I do put my flashers on, the cars are more visible. That's my main reason.
It's illegal.
Is it?
You cannot drive with flashers.
Oh, I didn't. I wasn't, okay, I didn't know that. I thought it was okay.
So when you illegally crossed into the carpool lane, why weren't your flashers on?
My turn signal, or my my emergencies.
Forward flashing lights. You illegally crossed into the carpool lane when you transitioned from the 57 to the 60-57 interchange. Okay. Flashers weren't on then. Why not?
I think at that point I had my turn signal on.
I'm not talking about getting over. I'm talking about once you were established in the carpool lane.
Yeah.
You turned your flashers off, correct?
I might have.
You did.
Did I? Okay, I wasn't.
It's not a question. It's a statement.
I'm not sure if I did.
Okay.
I'm not sure if I did. That was in the moment. I've been trying to keep them on more because I noticed that the cars do see me more. But
do you own a car?
Yes, sir.
Okay. When you own a car, say you're taking that same transition road, when you get across traffic lanes, you cross into the carpool lane there as well?
No.
Why not?
Because it's double yellow.
Why is it different on this?
I thought, let me turn this off. I thought that we were, well, because I know we can go in between the carpool lane and the fast lane, right? We can split right there. That's like our most common area to split for us motorcycle riders. And I don't know if I was purposely getting over. I was maybe trying to ride the line as we normally do, because I thought that's...
So when you passed me, were you on the line or were you in the carpool lane?
Hey. Hello.
How are you doing?
Good.
I'm going to see your driver's license and insurance.
So I can show you my insurance. I was on the way home because I forgot my wallet. I just now realized that, but here, yeah. I saw you guys, I was like, they're going to pull me over.
Why are we pulling you over?
Because my plate's not on my bike.
They're not on the bike.
No, plate's here.
Yeah, it's supposed to be on the vehicle.
No, I know, that's why I was going home. I didn't realize my bike's been broken. I didn't realize. I went to the gas station and I was like, oh shit, my shit's on my bike because I do YouTube and stuff. So I have this stick for a camera and I have this. That's why. I don't run or nothing. I'm not like that.
But this is supposed to be on the bike, dude.
I forgot. My home's literally less than a quarter mile. Take a right.
But it's supposed to be on the bike. You shouldn't even come out of the driveway without this on your bike.
No, I didn't realize. I know it was my fault. I apologize. It was my fault. I apologize. Here's my insurance. I was going back home, no plate, and my license at home.
All right.
Do you need anything else?
For right now, no. Just hold on for me.
Yeah, you're good. Hey, I won't. I knew it was gonna happen. I have an ant on my damn thing. There we go. I just take off. What's up?
Picture of your license. Is it still a Georgia license or is it?
It's a Georgia license.
That makes sense. All right.
Oh, you can't
find it, but yeah, if you have a picture of it, it'll help.
I might in here. Aha!
Beautiful. All right. Yeah, the registration's good and all that.
Yeah. Here.
Make sure you get that.
There you go. What a nice cop. It's a nice guy. He's a very cool cop. He rides a bike. He has a Indian, like a bagger. Pretty cool. Talking about my bike, talking about whatever. Don't know what he's gonna do. We'll see. Plate was on the bike, and then my license, obviously. But I mean, we're chilling. I'm not a runner. All right. On this YouTube channel, we're respectful and we're nice.
How's it going, man?
How are you?
Doing all right.
Yeah, man. We ride. We do all the stuff. Like your plate would get you pulled over. Just can't see it. I'm just telling you what it is, man.
I'll fix it. We got zip ties.
No, I believe you. I'm not saying fix it or don't. I'm just saying I want you guys to ride. I want you to enjoy riding. I ride. I get it. Does not mean you can be out here joyriding. I will then be forced to do my job. You may not like it. It is what it is.
You probably don't want to be here on a Saturday anyway. So.
You know?
It's a beautiful Saturday. I'm sure we all.
It's a beautiful Saturday. I'm in a very decent zone. However, I don't feel like going to the jail today.
Right.
And I don't think anybody wants to go to jail today that's in here, right?
Nope.
Absolutely not.
All right. Does anybody have any questions for me? I appreciate you guys being so cool.
Yeah, I just got here. What's going on?
We got a call from the I keep saying the gas station.
Golf course?
Golf course. Saying that y'all are racing, riding by high rates of speed and
Oh, okay.
being careless.
Got you.
So I wanted to come. I wanted to make contact with you guys, tell you, hey, I'm here. Like, I will be watching. I don't want to take anybody to jail. But
This is by far the coolest cop showcased on our channel yet.
Take you to jail. I'm going to do my job at the end of the day, okay?
You have to do that little swervy thing, like you see all the
Oh,
time.
no,
like
man,
they've done.
you should, our stuff is intensive. Like,
I've seen it on YouTube.
18-foot circle and turn circles all day. Like between two parking spots. I can turn off.
Look it up, dude. It's on YouTube.
I kind of want to try. We'll go. Let's go. Let's all go. We'll have a great time.
We got a police escort. What is this? Bam! He's down and dirty with that. And they make you.
Yeah.
It's gonna be on one wheel though.
No. 2 wheels.
He's telling you he could do a circle in those spots on.
And I believe him. Plausible deniability, right?
Okay. Gotcha. Gotcha.
So.
Yeah, dude. That's a big bike to be doing that on.
Hold it all day.
Oh my God.
That's a big to be doing that on.
1,000 pounds, man.
You said 1,000.
And that's a wrap on this one. If you enjoyed today's video, smash that like button, hit subscribe so you never miss a daily drop. And if you want to rep the moto lifestyle, head over to mototherapy.shop and cop some fire merch to support us. We appreciate every single one of you. And until next time.